Welcome to today's contest between Currier Memorial and Floodbrook.
Floodbrook Tigers. He'll be wearing orange.
Carl Serrani, Paul Duchess with Rich Dow on the camera. Number 12. It's going to be Floodbrook ball. It's going to take us a while to get used to all these numbers here.
Mason Sneed taking the ball out of bounds.
Makes it even harder, Carl.
They're not in numerical order.
Don't have the numbers on the phone.
Oh, nice.
Still going to be Currier ball.
I know one kid out there. It's Joey Herring.
Yeah, Joey Herring.
15. We can pick on him because Dad's standing beside us.
Yeah. Thank God he takes after Mom. Going to be Floodbrook ball. Kind of the nervous stage right now.
Takes him a while to get into a little flow of a game anyways. Number 12. And the fall. Jackson Proctor. Oh, my cell phone's going off.
That was on 15.
Joey Herring.
Oh, that was on Joey Harrington. His first team first. That's the pushback. Post is going to be handling the ball most of the game.
Got a little inside scoop that Currier likes to shoot the threes.
On six is a cynical, so I'm guaranteeing he's going to be one of the shooters.
Oh, we got a ball. Yeah, number 24, that's Mason Sneed. His first, team's first.
Phillips inside, no good, gets his own rebound. Phillips back up again, gets his rebound. Jump ball. Good news is rebounds are up.
Bad news is still 2-0.
Still 2-zip.
I got a funny feeling Mason Sneed just picked up his second one.
Uh-oh. That was Phillips on the drive. Gives it out to Harrington. Here's the pump fake.
He's thinking.
Throws it back out. Gives it to Phillips. Phillips going to look to the inside.
Harrington with a three. Uh-oh. Number 12, that would be Jackson Proctor. His first. Team's third. Phillips at the line.
Oh, a little hard off the iron. Still a 2-zip lead for the Floodbrook team. They're in the orange. Violation, didn't hit the rim. That's the first one. Oh, nice pass inside. Deflected by Phillips over to Loudon. Loudon takes it up. That's Senecal. Said he was a good sharpshooter out there.
Ties the game at 2.
That's Ethan Senecal. Deflected by Phillips.
Stepped on the line.
Couple subs coming in. That popular number 80.
King. Wayne King, I think it's there.
King. And Didn't catch the other number, Carl.
Number 7.
Number 7.
Kapusta launches a 3. Rebound by Mason.
7 is Wembley.
His first team second, I think.
It's awful hard too. They don't put up on the scoreboard who the falls on.
Yeah.
And if you see the games all week long, everything's volunteer. Everybody.
That's to the summer application. You do a nice job of this.
The last couple of years, the girls have played.
Number 12.
Oh, that's loud. Kapusta, hard-nosed defender there.
Jersey Alinsky.
What's that?
Jersey Alinsky, number 14. We're just calling Jersey.
Just call him Jersey.
How about we call him Flatlander? We'll call him Flatlander.
Kapusta going to handle the point guard ability here. Kicks it over to Seneca, who just drained one. Jersey. Got a wide open by Jersey. Jersey might have got off the third fight. Wow. No, he was on the line there. That was loud with the jumper.
It will be Currier as well. One off Floodbrook player.
Looks inside. Back to Loudon. Loudon over to Seneca. Right now.
Here we go. Jersey trying to drive into 3 guys. Not very good.
That's on King. It's the first foul on number 80.
It's easy to keep track of his calls, number 80.
Yeah, I'm trying to think who that NBA player was that was number 80.
Jersey.
If you're going to use my name a lot, I'm going to drain one. The Pushta brings the ball up. Gives it over to Senecal. Senecal goes up. Was it blocked?
I think. Number 23 for Currier just comes in, replacing Senecal.
That's Watson. It's Thomas Watson coming in the game for the first time. We got a minute 35 left. It's 4-4. Made him alter his shot a little bit. And he carry a ball.
Follow Downley.
He's fiddling. Gives it up. Wembley. King hit that elbow jumper, no good. Pushta with the rebound.
Nice little steal on his.
Nice pass up front. Yes. That's 6-4 lead.
Jackson Proctor steal. Nice little big shot there.
40 seconds to go.
Another steal by Floodbrook.
King with a rebound, gives it up to Kapusta. Kapusta got down to his right, along with Senecal. Gives it back to King. King with the loud down, goes in with a little runner, too long. Loud's going to go to the line for 2. Tristan Loud.
Number 25, that would be Tyler Dowley. With the fall. I think that's his second.
Oh, that nice little soft touch in it though, Carl.
Yeah, good form.
I'd say he's gonna drain this one.
We're in sleep because you got a bad elbow.
Yeah. It's like half the NBA players.
Oh, bad
Oh,
elbow.
no good.
Bad over the rebound.
Looking long. After 1 quarter of play, Floodbrook 6, Currier 4. Here we go. Floodbrook's ball. Begin the second quarter. Got Harrington back into the game. Oh, nice
job, nice play.
By Wimbley, number 7.
There you go, John.
John McCurran, one of the officials.
And John Huck. The other one.
Who's the other one, Carl?
John Huck.
Should be a hoop player, Huck.
Yeah. Chuck and Duck and Huck.
Oh, that's Joey Harrington with the steal.
Joey's pretty familiar with his gym. He shoots in it all the time.
Yeah, we always catch him in there.
Nice pass. Jersey brings the ball down.
Oh, off his foot, going to
Off
be
Mason.
Currier's ball.
Still can't really get a real good flow to the game here, Paul.
No. Still got the nerves.
Both teams kind of feeling each other out. Looks like Floodbrook's playing a 2-3 zone.
I think it's both teams' first game.
Yeah.
That's Thomas. Thomas Watson.
Senecal with the ball. Harrington with the ball.
Harrington eyes it up, but doesn't go. Kick it back out. Senecal will let her fly. Oh, a little long. It was right on the money, though.
Nice try for a
Thomas
save.
Watson.
That's the other thing that happens a lot. These kids all play man-to-man defense all year long, and they don't press throughout the year. Most places don't allow them to do that. And then there comes to a tournament, you end up playing a zone.
Phillips with a steal, gives it up to Senecal. Senecal does a floater, a little long.
Jersey's going by. Nice move, hit by Harrington.
Oh, that's on Harrington. That's his second.
It is on Harrington. It is his second.
That's his second. He picks up another one that Jim may be taken away from this tournament. That new one, and I didn't see who he was. I'll have to catch his number when he turns.
Now, get to it! Stay on him!
Shot by Jersey. He got a nice shot on him, Oh, handles the ball shoots pretty well.
16, Timmy Keeler in the ball game for the first time.
Senecal's got
eyeing it up. Senecal was hard on the shot. Floodbrook trying to add to the lead.
Jackson Cross cutting the basket. He's wide open. They missed him that time, Paul. Nice cut.
Phillips going to the ground to get that rebound, giving it up to Harrington. He's got 88. Whittemore to his right. Phillips, a little long on the shot. But little Timmy Keeler got the rebound. Smallest kid out on the floor, and he got the rebound. Floodbrook coming up on the break. They like to try to run.
Jersey. In and out. Halfway down. Give him one on that.
Oh, just barely on the line. Going to be a carrier ball. A couple subs coming in the game. We got Kapusta back. And Loudon back in the game.
Remember what I said?
Number 5
Up and
for
down,
Floodbrook.
all the way.
Matthew Sable. Matthew's first time in the game.
Kapusta gives it up to Loudon. Loudon likes to take that little baseline runner. Low line. Senecal with a nice rebound. No good. Kapusta with a rebound. No good. Senecal got an offensive rebound and was fouled on the play.
Followed by number 21 or 12. Number 12.
Oh, jump ball. Phillips coming in the game. Coming in for Timmy Keeler. Timmy coming, rushing, right? You like to see the hustle there. Oh, nice move by Senecal. No good. He's going to find the range soon here, though. Phillips with a nice offensive rebound. Gets it up to Harrington. Harrington to Kapusta for the three. No good. Back out to Loudon.
No, that's
Loudon,
right.
oh, jeez. No.
No call. I thought I heard
No
it way
call. I
down
got it. Unless they got that new fresh tone ball.
Pressure, pressure.
here. Jackson.
No good.
Rebound.
Rebound by Loudon. Kicks it up to Kapusta. Kapusta's got Senecal to his left. Kicks it there. Now it is. There's the three. No good. They do shoot a lot of threes, Carl.
They do jack him up there.
2 minutes to go. Floodbrook up 8-4 against Currier.
Jersey driving the basket. Cut the
Nice
basket.
pass inside.
Jackson up with his shot.
No good. Kapusta battle.
Jersey with his rebound. Up.
Come on, rebound.
Blue ball.
Currier ball.
Number 11 in the game for Floodbrook. Thomas Gordon.
Kapusta going to handle it. He's got Loud to his right, Senecal to his left. Joey
like
Harrington coming to the corner, going to hit the long three at that.
Currier gone with a smaller lineup.
Oh, good steal by Phillips. Phillips
Senecal
kicks it out to Senecal. Going to have to ice Senecal's arm at half.
Jump
Ball, going to be Currier ball. No?
Should be Floodbrook. Should be Floodbrook.
Okay. Possession arrow was going the other way. They must not have turned. Minute and a half to go. 8-4.
Boy, Harrington.
Oh, Kapusta with the steal.
Sloppy passing right there.
Kapusta take it up, kicks it out to Senecal. Senecal over to
They don't mind that outside shot at all, do
Loudon.
they?
Loudon, a little line. I tell you, Phillips is a workhorse in there.
Currier, the team right after my heart, man. They would like to throw the ball up there.
He'd fit on our team, the
Absolutely.
Chuck and Duckers. Phillips gives it up to Loudon. Loudon jacks up a three.
He can't find it. That's it.
That makes it an 8-7. Floodbrook with a 1-point lead with a minute to go. Stole by Kapusta. Kapusta with the layup. No good.
Floodbrook. Oh, they got okay.
Oh, we got
Floodbrook gets a
timeout.
timeout.
42 seconds to go. It's Floodbrook 8. Currier 7. To the Glodzik 5th and 6th grade basketball tournament. That's Joey Harrington with a steal, taking it in and got the basket. Nice move by Joey Harrington.
How are you doing?
Got the steal, took it hard to the basket, and got fouled. Gonna have an attempt at the three-point play the old-fashioned way.
Tuesday.
My color man,
at 5 o'clock.
Serrani, just stepped up for a little bit. Don't know what happened. Might have had to go to the bathroom. Harrington, oh, and he banks it. I'm going to ask him at halftime if he planned that bank. Oh, and they get the steal. Kapusta with the steal and the layup. That gives them the lead at 12-8. Oh, they just turning up the heat right now. Floodbrook looking to push it. Oh, that's Joey Harrington's third. Like guy said, he falls out of this game, they won't have the gym anymore.
Okay, you're welcome. See ya.
Floodbrook looking to cut in, 23 seconds. Oh, beautiful pass into number 11. No good, he gets his own rebound back up, no good. Senecal with the rebound, got 10 seconds to go. Got plenty of time to get 2 threes off here. Loud pump fakes. Senecal says, 2 seconds. Oh, no good. After 1 quarter or 1 half of play, it is Currier 12, Floodbrook 8. Third quarter action, we got Currier up 12-8 against Floodbrook.
It'll be Currier ball. As soon as we get the crowd under control here and get them out of the way.
Here we go, Kapusta. Oh, that's Harrington.
Harrington with the phantom
With
balls.
only 2 fouls. I think Dad talked to the scorekeeper, got it down to 2. Good behavior.
The race one.
Cut around, cut
He's
around.
out there playing good for 3 minutes, so.
Harrington fiddles he diddles. Gives it, trying to give it up to King.
Number 5, Dakota Smith.
Oh, no good. Oh, Harrington whips a rebound down.
And then he sits.
Ah, that kid was up by the rim. No, the guy next to him was named Jerry Rim.
Jerry Rim.
Oh, Long's hand. Oh,
Keeler.
That's Timmy Keeler.
Timmy Keeler.
Has he got a brother on this team?
Here comes Jersey.
I thought Keeler was a different.
Set up a little pick and roll there with Mason. Ooh, Mason tripped over somebody's feet. Got a strum on the floor. Mason driving hard to the hole. Up, almost in. And here comes Currier. Here comes the Senecal.
Oh, there's the Senecal kid.
Bang.
There it is. That could be trouble.
Oh, and he pointed to his buddy on the bench.
Oh, he said that one's for you.
He's sitting right there.
Says, sit down, untie them shoes, and have a coat. Harrington playing a little defense out there.
Dakota Smith with the ball. Jersey. Floodbrook really likes these state names.
Yeah.
Dakota.
Harrington,
with the rebound.
he's controlling the boards at both ends.
Now that he remembered he only had 2 calls, he just he's into the
letting
game.
loose.
He's into the game. Driving the hole. Up and oh. No, Joe, the kid didn't mean it, honestly.
Look at that. I did. I thought he was going after him. He's just going to the line.
You.
He's another one that last year he was in the finals of the free throw shooting contest in Rutland.
Yes. That Knights?
Knights of Columbus.
Knights of Columbus.
It's a nice organization. They do that every year. It's good for the kids.
Good for your free throw shooting, too.
Yeah.
I think Joey's right around 60, 65%.
Yeah.
Not bad for a 5th grader. Oh, he's a
I
backboard
think he knows.
He's a
We're
backboard
going to have to interview him after the game.
I think so,
That's
yeah.
the second bank shot he's made on a ball shot.
Telling you.
Like I said, good thing he's got mom's touch from the field.
Look.
No good. Good rebound. No good. Got his own rebound again. Put it up. No good. Had 3 attempts then. Floodbrook.
Mason Sneed working his tail off on the boards with no results.
Yeah, Harrington kicks it over to Senecal. Senecal, good stuff. Got his own shot back. Kicks it out to Harrington. Harrington drives. No good.
Mason Sneed Up to Jersey. Looking for Dakota.
Number 7, Wimley is into the game. Deflecting the ball right there. Going to be Currier ball.
Number 10, Tate Morris stuck there. Somebody standing behind him.
and Loudon back into the game for Currier. Uh-oh, they're one short. Harrington comes back onto the floor.
Don't worry, Coach. I got it. I see him now.
Smart kid. If one comes out too many, be the one to go back. Kapusta going to run the point now.
Work it, work it, work it. Yes.
Oh, Phillips goes.
Oh, Mason Snead. I think that's his third. I really think that's his third.
It could be.
Yeah, they're taking him out.
Oh, yeah, he's not happy. He's got the double fist clenched.
Remember, James Perch comes in. How you doing, James? Good game out there.
Oh, beautiful pass. Kicks it out to Harrington. Harrington tees one up.
Ooh.
It's like it's father. The poster got the steal. Got Senecal inside. Oh, that's Windley with the shot. No good. Harrington pump fakes, gets it up to Kapusta. Little long.
Stay on it, stay on it.
Oh, that's going to be Currier ball. That was off the foot.
Good job, good job.
Morris, you gotta go help it! Can't sit there and watch!
James Perch in the middle of that zone. Littlest guy on the floor.
Look at that, look
Seneca over
at
the
that.
loud pump fakes.
Yes.
Oh,
Nice
kicks it up to
play.
Kapusta. Nice little give and go.
Get up there on him, get up
Currier
there
in a
on
full
him.
court press.
Get up there on him.
That's where they turned it around. They switched
There
over
you
to
go.
that press.
There you go. There you go.
Oh, we got a timeout.
Timeout. Good timeout by Floodbrook.
I think the ball was in midair, but that's all right. That's just my opinion.
After 2:11, it is Currier 17, Floodbrook 8. Here we
Red
go.
ball.
It's going to be Floodbrook's ball. They're down 9. Going to need a basket here soon. Currier went with a full court press, kind of turned this thing around.
We'll tie up there with number 12, Jackson Proctor, Joey Harrington.
Come on, keep the pressure on.
Gets it inbound. Good job.
Logan Morris.
Kapusta. Oh, that's got to be. Oh, little long. That's Whittemore, number 88. Oh, he tees it out.
Hey, Joey Harrington.
That's Joey Harrington. You can only hope to contain him. He is heating up.
Jackson Proctor with a drive.
Whittemore gets by
Nice
Whittemore.
play.
Nice drive.
Nice drive, nice finish. Jackson Proctor.
Currier coach just said to his team, nice try. You can't play no better defense than that.
Except for you stop him. Joey Harrington with the ball.
Harrington with a little.
He's
He does it
feeling
all.
it.
He
He
shoots
is
the
feeling it.
threes. He ain't even going to sell the popcorn at half.
I don't know what they're going to do. What are they going to have to do to stop this young man?
There he is. There he is. He's
Jersey.
the hawk. Him and Kapusta running on top of that
Walker
zone
Brown.
there. That's good. Phillips all over
I
him.
can't see who's got the ball in the corner. Is that Jackson?
And that's our man Harrington.
Oh, he gives it
Beautiful
up.
pass.
He gives
Stop
it
and
up.
Pop.
In the hole, that's all. Team walks
Whittemore
across the
gets-
baseline.
Gets the rebound. We'll get you the rest of this game once this team walks by us.
The West Charlotte
That's
team.
Senecal Jack. No good. Little long. Oh, Phillips. Oh, I like Phillips' game. Phillips just gets all the rebounds. The ones that Harrington don't get, of course.
Jersey with the fall. Number 14. I think that's his second. Team's fourth.
Phillips going to the line for 2. Oh, no good. Thank Channel 15 for being here at the tournament all week. We got my man Rich Dow up on the camera, Carl Serrani helping me out on the color.
Very little help on the color. Very little.
Oh, nope, that didn't hit
Didn't hit
anything.
nothing?
It's going to be Floodbrook ball. 22-10 with 21 seconds to go here in the third quarter.
Walker Brown taking it out.
Stay on him! Stay on him! Stay on him! Stay on him!
Jersey.
Jersey
Nice
looking
play.
for Dakota in this Vermont tournament.
Hines Walker Brown. Walker driving the hoop.
Tried
Nice
to
steal.
4 seconds to go. We're going to have to throw something up here.
We're gonna find Harrington.
Kapusta. Oh, no good. After 3 quarters of play, it is Currier 22, Floodbrook 10.
Yeah, 11 seconds left in the game.
It's going to be Currier ball to start the fourth quarter, 22-10, their lead.
12 minutes of the clock non-stop.
Floodbrook still staying in that 2-3
Kapusta,
zone.
that's got to be Senecal from the 3. No good. Vermont gets his own rebound. He followed it nicely.
And number 80.
That's King.
Pressure! 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 Make them work for it!
Mason Speed bringing the ball up. A little high dribble.
It's going to be Currier basketball. Kapusta.
Well, your game might be delayed because there's a fire.
We're still in a 2-3 zone over here.
Turn the bus now.
Loud driving. Thought he might have got a little contact there. No good. That's King fighting hard for the rebound. Off his hands. It's going to be Floodbrook ball.
Foul! Don't let him get it, though. Yes!
Oh, good steal by.
Oh, jump ball. I thought that was going to be Mason Sneed's 4th ball. He thought it was too. His eyeball was going to look bigger on his fish bowls.
Currier still standing with that. Oh, little high dribble there, but
Number 3, it's Matthew Sable.
Kapusta pokes it away. Gonna be Currier ball.
Senecal, right?
Yeah. Oh, nice move.
Matthew Sable battling for the rebound. Nice job. Good hustle by Matthew.
Floodbrook ball.
I've got it 25 times. Still can't do it. I did it the other day.
Hey, excuse me. Thank you. We're doing the game from the corner by the locker room, and people keep stepping in front of us. So
Yeah,
if we stop for a minute,
keep it moving.
King with his 2nd foul.
That's just the team's first. Number 23 for Currier coming into the ball game. That's Watson. Thomas Watson.
Oh, they called him for the travel.
I think they both got the block on that one.
James Birch.
Kapusta bringing the ball up. Look, got Senecal. Senecal going to team one up. Oh, it's coming close.
You just got to line it up a little better.
Yeah. Them in and out ones.
Wholesale changes. Wholesale changes.
So 88 Whittemore back into the ball game.
Got the rebound.
And number 7 Winley into the game. Floodbrook's basketball. They're going to have to get something going here. 4:27 to go in this. Oh, I tell you, Curry
Relentless.
defense just picked it up. There's
Relentless
Kapusta.
defense.
Oh,
And one. And he throws it in.
Kapusta gets to steal the bucket and gets to go to the line for 1. Oh, that's Timmy Keeler coming into the ball game.
John Havlicek's number.
Yeah, so that's right.
John Havlicek. Number 17.
Oh, Hondo.
Best 6 man there ever was.
That's That's Whittemore kicks it over to Wimley. Wimley, no good. Watson fought hard for the rebound in there. Now that's Kapusta in there. Jump ball, going to be Currier ball.
Matthew Sabo, one of the little guys on the floor, and they're battling hard.
You got to love it. It's March Madness.
March Madness is right.
That's Wimley. Kicks it over to Kapusta. Kapusta does
Drive.
another drive. No good. That's Whittemore. No good. Gets to go to the line for two.
Matthew Sabo, like I said, the little guy, he's still in there battling with the big guys.
Good job, Johnny. Tough, bud.
Whittemore from the line for two.
Whittemore is 70% shooter.
Yeah,
Off today.
he works hard in the off season at it.
A little off today. Tyler.
16 into the game. That's Timmy
Walker Brown.
Keeler.
Matthew Sabo dribbles into the trees. Loses the ball.
Oh, that's Wimley trying to make it happen.
Great hustle.
Oh,
Great hustle. Looked like a ballerina going across the line
and
there.
the soccer coach eyes just lit up. He saw a prospect there with that dribbling ability.
Currier not taking the press off.
No. Whoop, whoop.
Number 4,
Hey, well, we heard that from the crowd. That's the guy that took the shot.
James Birch.
Kapusta surveying the whole floor. He looks at little Timmy Keeler.
Whittemore
Hold
walking
on.
around in there all by himself. He's all by himself. They could find him.
It's Webster.
Oh, Webster. But Whittemore gets the rebound. Kapusta's got it again. I think they're trying to get Mr. Webster, get him a bucket.
Okay, that's why I was screwing up, Pat. I got the numbers reversed in the program.
Oh,
They got Timmy Keeler at 16. And Webster at 17. It's
Oh,
vice
okay.
versa. This is Whittemore to the line. He missed the first two he shot. I think he's going to drain both these.
lined it up. Gets the fingers just right. Oh,
Hey,
he's played a lot today, Paul, so legs
this
might
is
be a
their
little tired.
second game
You know,
of today.
And 26-10 lead. He's probably not concentrating on the
Kapusta
game.
gets a much-deserved break.
Oh,
Oh,
I think we're getting over the back.
yeah, that's Wimley over the back.
Hey, they gotta get it. These guys are ready to go.
Oh, they wanted
They
to
wanted
get
to
it go.
Brown and Sable, they just want to attack the basket. Come on, ref, let's go. Let's get this thing underway. We're ready to go.
Okay, we've got quite the matchup over there in the corner.
I'm not sure. Are they swinging at each other?
They're throwing some elbows down there.
Webster.
Oh,
Webster with a run.
Webster. I think he was coming off that fierce battle underneath there. Check out who's number 4 there.
Number 4 is James Birch for
Oh, Birch.
Floodbrook.
Watch that Birch-Webster matchup right there. They're not giving each other an inch on it. It's nice to watch.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
But Coach, I think Coach saw it and he doesn't want to have any problems.
He'll calm down.
Doesn't
He's
want
going
to
to
have
have
any
it for the next
problems.
game.
He'll be able
Now,
to get in
this
there
is
for the
Timmy
next game.
Keeler, number 17. He's not 16 like in the book. That's Wimley. Nice pass in the Whittemore. Whittemore does
Up
the
again.
turnaround.
Oh!
Oh! what a 360 spin move. And he's naturally left-handed, and he shot that with his right.
Walker Brown, attacking the basket. Nice rebound, Walker Brown.
Oh, he's going to go to the line for two. Took that one right off the nose.
I don't think he was quite ready for that rebound to come back to him back. Brown to the line for two. Maybe it's a 1-on-1.
This might be Floodbrook's first foul shots.
It could be. I think it is their first foul
I
shot.
don't remember him at the line at all.
I know I went for 4 years going down to a place and never shot a foul shot.
Yeah, I remember that. Yes, sirree.
I think when we got our first foul shot, I think I got a technical about telling about it.
Yeah, I think that was Arlington.
Yeah.
Oh, he hits the second one. Nothing but the bottom of the twine. Here we go. Beautiful pass.
I think they forgot to play defense.
Oh, that was Watson. He almost got the three-footer. Going to be Floodbrook ball. We got a minute 43 to go. It's Currier 28, Floodbrook 11.
Sabo and Brown, heck of a tandem in the backcourt.
Wimler battling hard in there. He's going to go for the jump ball. Oh, they caught him for the on the arm. What did they call it? Did he say 3?
They called it on blue.
Must be 23. Must have called it on
Must have been
Thomas Watson.
Brown driving to the
Oh,
hoop.
nice drive. Brown.
Oh.
No good. That's Whittemore with the rebound. Gives it up to Wimler. Looks
Nice
inside
steal.
to Watson. Oh, we got a fast break here. A little breakaway. Can he get the handle?
Oh, he can't get a hold of it.
King battling hard in there.
Oh, one referee's got a foul. He's not going to call it. John's got a foul. I guess they got it. I'm not sure.
Didn't get it in, buddy.
Brown with it in the corner.
Oh, beautiful pass
Over to
inside.
Sabo will
I
be
think
going
that's
to
going
line.
to be on Whittemore if he puts up 8 twice. Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It's Whittemore.
Sabo going to the line.
They're going to get any higher numbers. They're going to need the other official to come and help out with the call.
Take the shoes off.
Wow.
Sabo, a 65% shooter.
Ooh.
You got to realize that he's only 15 feet away, not 22.
Loudon back into the game. 57 seconds to go in this contest.
There he is. Oh,
Good rebound by Wimler. Gives it up to Keeler.
Wimley.
Wimley with a nice layup.
Brown coming up. Attacking the basket. Give it to number 10. Tate Morris.
Oh,
Sabo.
pump fake.
Back to
Gives a
Brown.
nice dish to Brown. Brown up, no good.
Morris with a save.
Tell you, it's nice to see Floodbrook not giving up.
Floodbrook ball out of bounds.
18 seconds to go.
Still Floodbrook ball. Mr. Tate stands in front of Sabo. He can't even see Sabo.
That is true. Oh, that's Wimley. Oh, they got Watson up ahead. He missed him. Oh, gets it to him here. He puts it up. No good. Wimley going for the tie-up. Oh, nice bounce pass. That should be the ball. It is Currier 30 advancing to the next round and Floodbrook 11.
We're going to get covered up here pretty soon.